Thank you, Justin, and thanks to all of you for all of the great work you're doing on drowning prevention all over the world. What a great group, what great energy, and what a great start to this conference. On behalf of Michael Bloomberg and all of us at Bloomberg Philanthropies, would like to thank the International Life-Saving Federation, as well as the BC and Yukon branch of Life-Saving Society of Canada for bringing us together and really doing such a great job of organizing this event. Thank you. In 2012 at Bloomberg Philanthropies, we started supporting drowning prevention through the establishment of 3,200 community daycares for 70,000 children under the age of 5. Drowning is the leading cause of death amongst this age group in Bangladesh, accounting for 42% of all deaths of children under 5. The findings of the 2-year study following the 70,000 children through the 3,200 community daycares showed a 74% lower likelihood of drowning among children in community daycare. And you can find out more about this study tomorrow when Dr. Alonge talks specifically about the study. Just a little plug for Dr. Alonge's presentation. Last May, we announced a $25 million 5-year program to expand our support of drowning prevention. And we hope to accomplish a few things. We'll continue to support community daycare in Bangladesh. At the same time, we'll help government expand the program nationally so that the program lives on beyond Bloomberg support. Our goal is to transition community daycare to the government. We'll also bring daycare for children under 5 to Vietnam, working with more than 40,000 children, and also contributing to the Vietnamese government's program on survival swimming, providing swim instruction for 10,000 children ages 6 to 16, and we know there's a very active survival swimming program in Vietnam, and we're excited to help support that. We're also exploring efforts to gather data on drowning deaths in sub-Saharan Africa, which is really the first step in preventing more deaths. We know Africa has the highest drowning rates in the world, and we need to better understand where those drownings occur and who is drowning. As Dr. Meddings mentioned earlier, we'll be working with WHO. And finally, we'll be working very significantly with Michael Bloomberg as the global ambassador to really continue to raise awareness of the burden of drowning across the globe. You're all doing that, 800 strong in more than 60 countries, and we hope to support that and amplify the burden of drowning so that it becomes truly it gets the global attention that it really needs. This is a true public health issue that is not getting the attention it needs. So we look forward to working with you and to learning with you over the next 5 years and beyond, and specifically over the next 3 days here in Vancouver. So thank you very much and have a great conference. Thanks again.
Mr. Bloomberg could not be in Vancouver for this event, but he sent a video message. Let's take a look.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the World Conference on Drowning Prevention, and thank you for all the great and inspiring work you're doing to save lives. Each year, drowning kills more than 360,000 people, mostly children, many of them under 5 years old, and the vast majority in low and middle income countries. Every one of these deaths is preventable, and yet not nearly enough attention is being paid to preventing drowning. All of you are helping to change that, and this conference is a great opportunity to speed up our progress. The good news is that we know where to start. We need to increase global attention to this issue. We need better data on drowning and its causes. And we need to do more to spread effective measures to more countries. Bloomberg Philanthropies is glad to be a part of this work. Since 2012, we've been working to prevent drowning among children under 5 years old in Bangladesh. We recently announced a 5-year expansion of the program, as well as new components in Vietnam and sub-Saharan Africa, where drowning rates are especially high. We're also working to marshal attention to drowning through my role as World Health Organization Global Ambassador for Non-Communicable Diseases. We have the ability to prevent drownings. We just need the will to act. With your support, we can save countless lives, and we're glad to be working with so many of you as partners. Thank you all again for your efforts to combat drowning deaths and bring attention to this tragic public health issue. All the best for a successful conference.